How temperature influences solubility.
In this lab, we will be measuring solubility based on the behaviors of water and the temperature changes that occur.
Our hypothesis is an increase in the temperature will result in an increase in solubility. Also, a decrease in temperature will result in a decrease in solubility.
In this experiment, we used beakers filled with 200 milliliters of water, 30 grams of sugar dissolved in the water, hot plates to heat up the temperature to 80 degrees Celsius, thermometers to measure the rate of the temperature. We also used ice to decrease one of the beaker's temperatures to 10 degrees Celsius, and we used a timer to record the 2 minutes that had passed.
Here's a video of what was conducted in the experiment. For each sample, sugar was added and stirred for 2 minutes to measure the amount dissolved. Watch carefully to observe the changes that occur in each beaker, most importantly, the rate at which sugar dissolves.
Keep in mind that the hot test at 80 degrees Celsius is in the middle, the control beaker of 20 degrees Celsius is to the left, and to the right is the cold beaker at 10 degrees Celsius.
Our control, room temperature at 20 degrees, had very little sugar left at the bottom. The sugar dissolved the quickest in the hot water and had no visible signs of sugar left. The test with cold water had the most amount of sugar left, not yet dissolved.
So why did we include this picture originally? Well, the hotter the water, as shown in the 80 degrees box, the faster the water molecules move, the more space for sugar to fit between the water molecules. Also, due to the faster rate of movement of H2 molecules, there is an increase in the probability that sugar molecules will come in contact with them. This increases the rate at which sugar dissolves. This was seen in the hot beaker when sugar was observed to dissolve at the fastest rate.
An opposite relation exists between cold water and sugar. The lower the water's temperature, the less the molecules move. This creates little space for the sugar to fit between them. Therefore, the sugar will dissolve at a very slow rate, remaining at the bottom of the beaker.
This was observed when we looked at the cold beaker and sugar was still at the bottom because the rate at which it was dissolved was decreased.